In this video, we will be using SPSS to determine if there is a statistically significant difference between the distance run at time 1 and time 2 before and after the 12-week training program. In order to do this, we'll go to Analyze, Compare Means, Paired Samples t-test. We will take our pretest or run 1 and move it to the variable 1, pair 1 box. Then we will select distance of run 2, our run 2 variable, and move it to the variable 2, pair 1 box, and then click OK. We'll now look at our output file. Again, we have a number of different tables. The first table is our descriptive statistics for our paired samples. We can see in the top row that our prior to training or run 1, the average distance ran was 3.60. There were 29 participants who had a score recorded for that run time and a standard deviation of 0.87494. Our run 2 distance had an average distance run of 4.7255, again with 29 people in the sample, with a standard deviation of 0.69084. The next table we have is our paired samples correlation. This tells us how related our run 1 and our run 2 distances are. The correlation is 0.595 with a significance value of 0.001, indicating that there is a significant correlation between run 1 and run 2. Then we move down to our third table, which is our paired samples t-test table. Here we can see there's the mean, but this is actually the mean difference between run 1 and run 2. So we can see that on average at run 2, people ran 1.12552 miles further. At the very end of the table, we have our results of our t-test. We can see that our t-value is negative 8.381 with 28 degrees of freedom. Remember that the degrees of freedom for a paired samples t-test is your number of pairs minus 1. We can see that our significance value in SPSS is listed as 0.000, indicating that our p-value is less than 0.001. So we can conclude that there is a statistically significant difference between the distance run at time 1 and the distance run at time 2.